because it growled at me.
Okay, any questions before I go on from here? Great. I really understood that well.
Well, looks like I've got an egg to fry.
I am a monster, you know.
He told you that?
Look at me.
Give me your hand.
Why?
Just let me see it. A long lifeline. Oh, and this one means you're shy. Well, that's funny.
What?
I don't see any.
Any what?
Monster lines. Not a single one.
I am so cool. Round of applause for me. I'm just amazing.
You don't care, do you? You don't give a single shit for my feelings or anyone else's. You're just like everyone else.
3, 2, 1, go!
You don't care, do you? You don't give a single shit for my feelings or anyone else's. You're just like everyone else.
No! Why would you do that? Lights on! Lights on! I warned you! I warned you! Naughty boy. Naughty boy. It's past your bedtime. You must be punished. Nighty night.
You've heard this noise before. Keep time across the floor. Try not to lose your head. Prepare for the horrors. This night will this guy's sus, acting like he's a crewmate just like us.
Kick him off, that's the only way to protect us.
Bye bye, Cyan.
You're gonna regret this!
I found a body beside the reactor.
Somebody killed Orange? Oh, you bastard!
What we gonna do? This is a disaster. Everybody calm down and tell me what your task was.
I was in admin swiping the card, but it wouldn't go through. I was swiping too hard.
I was downloading data to 100%. I turned around and saw Blue standing next to the vent.
Somebody come watch me scanning the med bay.
I say we vote now to get rid of some dead weight.
But I saw Purple lurking, so suspicious. She kept flipping switches at the O2 sensors.
Switches? That's a keypad. This guy's sus, acting like he's a crewmate just like us.
Kick him off, that's the only way to protect us.
Bye bye, Cyan.
You're gonna regret this!
For you just to prove my love, only to find out you are the one holding the gun.
Alright, I'll show you them all as I made them in order. So, this is my first dragon, Violet Ash. I don't know. Yeah. Supposed to be Tokoyami. Skullcrusher destroyed him. Snapper? Then we got Splitter, which kinda split it, entirely. Nightmare Fredbear, my first FNAF puppet. Then we got Twisted Bonnie, which kind of works. Yeah. Then we got Skullcrusher, which I still made even before I had 1K followers. Then we got Bee Zelda, which was my 1K dragon. Don't ask what happened to her. I'll remake her at some point. Then we got my 2K Protogen, Death Striker. Yeah. Then we got my 3K dragon, Willow Spirit. Yeah. Then came Foxy. Then came Tangle and her endoskeleton friend. Then came Ramshackle as my 10 to 12K dragon special. Then we got Withered Bonnie. Then we got Terror as my 20K special. Then we got Entity as my 30K special. Then we got Siren as my first matching dragon. Lolbit for my 40 to 50K special. Reinhard as my Valentine's puppet for 2023. Widow for my 60K special. Then we got Twisted Monty. Then we got Foxytron as my 70K special. Then we got Amethyst for my 80K special. Bloodhorn for my 100K special. I forgot to mention I made this guy like after Widow. Golden Freddy. And then we have finally Trencher, which is my last dragon, which I made for 160 or 170K special. Yeah. 200 plus K special dragon coming soon.
You were gone and I gotta stay all the time to keep you off my mind. Ooh.
We need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without you. Bring it over to my place, you don't know what you love. You love me highway,
I can't have you, no one can.
Daisy, give me your answer, do.
I'm crazy.
You'll fall down.
I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal cannibal. Animal cannibal.
Is she blind? Suffering some form of brain damage?
Eu posso jogar no seu celular?
Tem jogo não.
Eu baixo.
Aqui eu não tenho internet não vai dar.
Aqui tem um Wi-Fi.
Ai meu Deus do céu, misericórdia, meu celular acabou de descarregar.
Mas você tá usando.
Não tô usando mais.
Hey guys, just came back from dance class. Michael, what are you doing in my room? Why'd you lock the door? Oh,
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew.
Was that true? Was that true?
Off to the past.
Holy what? Say ah. Say ah. Say ah.
Why would I make them so uncomfortable?
It probably has to do with your reputation.
I have a reputation.
They feel your methods, your theories are
Spooky. Do you think I'm spooky?